Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be planning in my PR and social media planner, which is a half letter or junior size DIY planner with tool covers and happy planner discs. The inserts are printable inserts available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. If you would like to become a patron, the link is in the description box below, and you do have access to all previous downloads available for your level of membership. That is still in effect until at least the end of the year. All right. So we're doing the 18th through the 24th. This is the previous week. I'll link to that video in the iCard up above. Let's take these out. So I'll be using some leftover stickers and kind of piecing things together from two kits that I made for the Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner and Journal Challenge. This one was for the prompt packages, and this one was for the prompt Modern Christmas. I'll be using possibly some stickers from this Michael's Hot Buy sticker book from 2020. It is called Save Freeze. And then I pulled all these washies because I realized I had not done anything with buffalo plaid so far this year. So I'm just going to try to incorporate all of this. It may not go together well, but these are the things that I want to use. So let's get started by putting down the washi tape. Okay, so I got my buffalo plaid in. Let's see. Let's see what we can do with these leftovers. I definitely won't be using this, but the gifts, the wreath, the dolls, I think I can do something with. I put some like Wink of Stella on these, which is this, but I don't think you can really see it. It's a little shimmery. I don't think it's showing up, but it makes the stickers a little harder to get off the page. Do you see that? Anywho. Okay, so that finishes up this sheet. All done. Okay, so I'm going to use some of the basic boxes. These are available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Elites, and you still have access to all of them through the end of the year. So go ahead and get what you need now. So let's see. Let's see what I can do with this box. And I think I want to add some black, maybe some red. All right, so far I'm okay with it. It seems like things are blending. I am going to see what I can find in Say Freeze to use to help bring it together a little bit more. Okay, so let's see if I can use a few. I feel like I need to add a little teeny bit of red. So I'm going to see if I can use some of the peppermint basic boxes to add that accent red, and then I think that should do it. Bring everything together. All right, so that is it, I think. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let's pop this back in. So if you need to piece things together, that is how you can do it. And I may come back and do some date covers. I'll see how it goes. But I really like how that looks. I got my buffalo plaid in. All right, so that's it. I used washi tape from Simply Gilded, leftover printables that are available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Elites, as well as the inserts that are available to the Elites. I used a few stickers from the Say Freeze sticker book from Michaels. And again, boxes are available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Elites. Okay, so that's it. I like it. It's festive. It's got my buffalo plaid. I'm happy with it. Again, let me know what you think in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.